Hi, I'm Tada of Mada Skyrude. Mada Skyrude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you a video of making a screen, bug screen for a 93 Jeep Cherokee camper. I'm preparing for the summer camping, and what is annoying is the mosquitoes, especially when it's hot and I want to open the window for sleeping. But if there's mosquitoes, I cannot really do it. So it's gonna be really nightmare to stay in the hot cabin. I made a screen so that I can leave the window open, and also I can when I open the rear door, so the screen gonna basically keep the mosquitoes coming into the cabin. So this is how I did it. Okay, I bought the screen, the 36 inches by 84 inches. So like this. So I'm gonna use these two to make a screen for the rear door of the camper. Okay, so my plan is to put the mesh sheet here, so clamp it with this thing. So that I'm gonna remove this handle and clamp it, and I'll try to do that and see how it goes. So this screw has a star pattern, so I'm gonna use the star. It's like this. It's coming from this side, and so this is obviously much longer than I need, so I'm gonna cut it. So it's not really a great way to do the cut first and plan later, but I'll try my best to fit it, so I'm gonna cut it. So it's clamped like this. So I think I'm gonna put some weight on the bottom so that it gonna just stretch straight, so that the bag not gonna come in from the gap. On this angle, metal angle in my garage, and this is heavy enough to pull the screen, so I'm gonna use that hole and tie down this angle to the screen end of the screen with fishing line. This is how it looks. So it's heavy enough to pull and so we can do like this. That looks good. So with this I can roll. When I don't use the screen, I can roll the screen, roll up. And I need something. So I need something to hold it. So I'm gonna using this hook. I think I'm gonna make something like this so that it won't come loose. I made a hook so that I can just hook it when it's not in use, and then if I need to use it, so it can go like this, or this can go outside like this. Okay, I'm gonna make the other one on the other side, and I think this is really helpful to avoid the mosquitoes inside the car. And thank you very much for watching. Bye.